Okay, another quickie little cooking with Jud here. Hi, how you doing? Trying a new thing with pork chops. I tried it the other day, it worked very good. I got a big old pork chop here. You'll see it when I flip it. But I'm cooking it at 250, and I'm cooking it for a longer time at a lower temperature, and it came out great yesterday. I didn't put the weight on it on side one yesterday, but I'm putting it on now. I rubbed it down with oil instead of putting oil in the pan because that proved to be too much. Somebody had made that suggestion for the air fryer. I tried it for this, and then salt and pepper, and put it on there. I'm just going to let that go 10 minutes on the side. And like I said, it came out great yesterday, and we'll see what happens today. Or I'll be able to show you what happens today. Okay, flipping time is here. Remove that. Okay, so you can see this is a big hunk of pork chop here, and we'll see what it looks like on the flip side. Not quite as cooked as I wanted, but a little golden brown here, a little raw up there, but that'll do. That'll do. I'll check temperature after side two is done. Maybe we'll go a little longer, brown that up a little bit more. Be back in 10. Okay, another 10 minutes gone by. And there we go. Let's see what the other side looks like. Okay, again white. Let's check the temperature. 160. Okay, so that's cooked enough. So we're going to eat it like that. It's not beautiful looking, but it's going to be beautiful tasting. Okay, I didn't like that, so I took it back in and I put this baby up to maximum, and I'm just going to burn each side. Focus, focus, I think that one's already burning. There, that looks better. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, that's better. Much better. Okay. So I think next time I'll do, oh that's much better, oh that's so much better. Do each side for like 5 minutes maybe, and then burn the outsides. I know you're supposed to go the other way around, but that's never worked for me. I always end up overcooking it. I don't know, I gotta work this out. But cooking it at the lower temperature helps. I mean, this ain't nearly so bad as the early ones I did. Anyway, there you go. Happy day to you. I'm going to eat now.